Hey there, and welcome back to another video. Dustin from the Gravity team here. In this video, we're going to go through everything you need to know about integrating Gravity SMTP with Zoho Mail so your WordPress emails are reliably delivered to your users' inboxes. If you're new to Gravity SMTP, we have a quick overview you can check out, linked below. And if you don't have a Zoho account, follow the link below to create one. Let's dive in and see how to set it all up. I'll get started by heading to my Zoho dashboard and selecting domains. Next, I'll need to follow the on-screen instructions to verify my site domain with Zoho and start sending emails. This process will vary depending on your DNS provider, but Zoho has a detailed walkthrough that you can use. Just follow the link below to learn more. For the next part, you'll want to go to the Zoho API console to get OAuth credentials that you'll use later in this video. The API console will be linked below if you've never used it. Once you're logged in, just click the blue Get Started button. For the next screen, ensure that the client type is server-based applications. The client name can be something simple that you'll remember, like Gravity SMTP, then enter your homepage URL. Next, you'll need to enter an authorized redirect URI. To do this, simply head to your WordPress dashboard and go to the Gravity SMTP integrations page. Select the plus icon to add a new integration, then scroll down to find Zoho Mail. Click on it and you'll find your redirect URI. Copy this URI and paste it into the authorized redirect URIs field within your Zoho Mail dashboard. Next, you'll be given a client ID and client secret. Copy both of these, then head back to your WordPress dashboard to paste them in the Zoho Mail integration page. You'll also need to verify your data center region. This information can be found in your Zoho account. Then simply select Sign in with Zoho Mail and follow any on-screen instructions. And while you're at the integrations page, you can also set up a backup integration in case there's ever any issues with Zoho Mail. Lastly, you can set up alerts to receive notifications if email failure ever does occur, so you can make sure your users never miss a message. With Zoho Mail and Gravity SMTP, you can have peace of mind that your emails will reach their destinations. Are you using Gravity SMTP? Are there any integrations you'd like to see added? Let us know in the comments below. Till next time, thanks for watching.